In this video, I'll talk about how you can check when your package will arrive on Temu. So what you should do is, it says right here, you can track the latest shipping status of your order from the app or from the website by going into your orders and click the track button. Now, once you click on that, you will be able to see all of your shipping information, and you will also be able to see who is shipping. So your shipping carrier, your tracking number, the delivery time, and also the latest shipping updates. So that is basically how you do it. You just want to head to your orders on your profile, and from in there you should be able to see it. Now keep in mind that usually this will take 5 to 14 business days, which means it can take up to a whole month. So 14 business days is around a month. So keep that in mind. But after waiting 1 month, if you still didn't receive it, you should contact the support right here. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.